Something is about to happen for Shiba Inu. You see it here is about to break from our triangle. This is a really bullish signal for Shiba Inu, where the price will go to and where's the massive squeeze and whale will buy Shiba Inu, and we have a huge bump again. Before we gonna discuss this important level for Shiba Inu, we have an important announcement for our hunters here, and especially for the people who are watching right now, because we have a 4,000 trading bonus on BingX. We have just 5 days left in order to win this huge trading bonus. You have just 3 things in order to get this bonus from BingX, which is the event is only available for users who actually registered with my exclusive link in comment section below. And the other thing, you have to deposit only USD Tether, and the minimum deposit should be 500 USD Tether. So if you deposit 500 USD Tether, you get 50. If you deposit 1000, you get 100 USD Tether, and so on so forth. However, let me just give you an example. If you just have 500 USD Tether, in order to get this bonus $50, you can actually get $250 from this 50 USD Tether. You know why? Because if you go here on like derivatives and you go here on the bonus USD Tether to find your bonus, and you put it on 5x. What mean 5x is mean when you get the $50 USD Tether bonus, so the 50 will be 250 in trading value. You just give you an example. Now I have 20 USD Tether and we could actually put up to 5x. You can't put 50x or 125x unless you actually deposit your own money. The limit for leverage for the bonus that you get will be 5x. Now I have 20 USD Tether. I bought 5x. Let me just make a trade for you for Shiba Inu. You see it here, we have a breakout from this triangle that been squeezing, and so many days we've been squeezing inside this triangle. Let me just buy long bullish for Shiba Inu. Order placed, perfect. You see it here, unrealized profit. The total long is 100. So we have 20 USD Tether in bonuses. Now is 100 because we bought 5x. 5x 20 is 100, and you can see it here. We already opened 20 USD Tether 5x, and you can see it is $100 and already opened. Already put other position for Bitcoin, and I didn't put 5x. You see here 20 USD Tether 1x, and we just traded with what we have from the bonus 20 USD Tether, and it already is almost 3% in profit. So this is a good example for you if you actually won the bonus, and you can actually trade with it, and even you actually maximize your bonus by actually putting 5x what you have. So the most important thing we never forget is setting our profit taking on stop loss. After we open our trade, you can see it down here, my position, and here TP and SL stand for taking profit and stop loss. Let me just click on it and just click here and put my profit taking for Shiba Inu around 40.1197, and stop loss of course around 10.77. Perfect. Let me just confirm. Perfect. Now you can look down. We have 2 numbers, one in green which is profit taken, one in red is mean stop loss for our trade that already opened down there. Leverage and a good opportunity to make money from free from BingX. Let me just go back to Shiba Inu and discuss again the price action. Now is around the 1% up. We have a breakout now from our triangle. This is a really indication for strength for Shiba Inu. What we should expect for Shiba Inu, as we said, the first test should be here around the 12th. After that, we're gonna have the 1382 here. For my opinion, will be a huge signal for strength for Shiba Inu. Let me just show you what's gonna happen. The price will test this area, then we have a bit of selling pressure. If we overcome it, this will be a first indication for strength. After that, we're gonna go around the 1382 than the 1742 for the squeeze area for Shiba Inu, and this is the support that should hold for Shiba Inu to confirm the strength. Let me just put it in red, and this is show us whale actually started buying Shiba Inu and the price will continue to go higher. You see, now is 1% 16 and the price is still going strong. Let me just show you, we have a bit of selling pressure will happen around this AMA. That's why I put my resistance level around this area. This will be a testing area for Shiba Inu. I will be extremely careful for this area. Even if we get rejected around this area, we need to hold above the 11. No price going below the $10.74. Here a big signal for weakness for Shiba Inu. Otherwise we're gonna continue to go higher. The next one we have is Matic, doing really great around the 4%. Already opened my position on the other account that I have on BingX, already long the 7% for this trade. The other trade that we have opened, we already have two positions, one on Bitcoin and one on Shiba Inu on BingX. So I'll be extremely careful now because the market is hot and getting green. For Matic is going around the 0.8682. This is will be a target area for us to watch out if we're gonna continue to go higher. The squeeze area for Matic is around the 0.9399. Here will be a crazy level for bullish momentum continuation until the $1.19 for Matic. If we held above this AMA, this will be the best case scenario for Matic to continue higher for this price action for this month around the $1. Luna coin is doing good, is still bouncing from this ascending line, is still bullish for my opinion. If we continue to hold this level of support or above this AMA, we're gonna continue to go higher. The massive buying pressure and the whale will come in heavily for Luna Classic is above the 3039.24. Here we might get rejected again. However, the next time we overcome it, we're gonna have the 55 resistance. Pretty volatile, you know. Last time we tested our bottom, we went 70% up. Pretty volatile. If you want to buy, you have to be strategic, buy around the bottom as we suggest before for Luna Classic, and always take profit on the resistance. Let me know what you think about the Shiba Inu price target, and of course don't forget to get your 4,000 trading bonus on BingX because will be over after 5 days with my exclusive link in comment section below. And let's get ready to hunt for Shiba Inu and the other altcoin because the market is going to reverse pretty soon if we overcome the resistance for all of them. See you in the next update.